Welcome. Today we are looking at English paper 2 and we are starting with the comprehension. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Technology is basically the way we execute the discoveries of science and blend it with our needs. Technology is a general term used to refer to the different tools, machines and equipment we use in everyday life. These tools and equipment have been invented by man to make the tasks faster, easier and more comfortable. Since the invention of the wheel and the use of microchips in computers and mobiles, technology has come a long way. Man has reached the moon and explored the outer space just because of the advancement in the aeronautics field. Even in primitive occupations such as agriculture, there have been so many technological advancements with modern tools such as traction engine and steam tractor technology, which has helped us make progress. Although there have been countless examples where technology has changed our lives, there are some which are considered as revolution for mankind. The technology used in the field of robotics is one such fine example. Nowadays, robots are being used by people and industries all over the world for various purposes. They are also used in places which are otherwise considered harmful for humans, thereby protecting us. One such area is the cleaning and managing of radioactive waste. Artificial intelligence, that is AI, is another field which is a classic example of technological advancement man has achieved. Who could have imagined that a machine could be capable of thinking like us? That is what artificial intelligence has been successful in doing. It is an intelligent machine capable of behaving like us. It can do activities such as problem solving, planning, learning, and even reasoning. Today, artificial intelligence is used in all major areas such as warfare, security, healthcare, and communication. On top of this, it is far more efficient than us and has a lower rate of error. Technology has its own importance in our lives. Without technological advancement, our lives would not be simpler and faster. The modernization that the world is witnessing today has all been possible because of technological developments in different fields. Moreover, it has helped in reducing the risks people had to undertake in many sectors such as mining. With new tools available, the tasks are less risky and are more efficient as well. Although technological advancements are important for us, it is also true that we seem to be over-dependent on them nowadays. The use of mobiles was meant to be able to keep us in touch in different times. But now we see kids too much involved in the different applications on mobiles and killing the valuable time. In addition, many crimes have been reported through the misuse of digital technology. Also, it has been seen that many people lack the basic education required to ensure the proper use of technology available today. In fact, most of them use it for the sake of fashion and end up misusing it. People have been so dependent on technology that they no longer want to do any kind of manual activity. Even for small works that can be done manually, people prefer to do it through technology. This has resulted in making humans mentally as well as physically dormant. Technology is surely a boon for mankind. It is all the more important for economic growth of our country. Modern technologies have in fact succeeded in reducing the human effort and the risk in doing many other things. But still, it is for us to see how best we make use of technology available to us. While on one hand, we can make use of technological advancements of nuclear energy to generate electricity and help many villagers lighten us, on the other hand, the same nuclear energy can be used to create bombs which cause mammoth destruction. Similarly, robots and other technological advancements have served as a good servant to us, but the moment it becomes the master, it can wipe all humanity from earth. Question say, what is technology according to the passage? Technology is the way we execute the discoveries of science and blend it with our own needs. B. State two prominent ways in which technology has changed lives according to the passage. Technology used in the fields of robotics and artificial intelligence. How has technology been important to human beings according to the passage? Life has been simpler and faster. The modernization in the world has been witnessed. It has helped in reducing the risks people had to undertake in many sectors such as mining. How has the advancements in the field of aeronautics changed this field? Man has reached the moon and explored the outer space. Make notes on the drawbacks of technology. So kids are too much involved in different applications on mobiles and killing the valuable time. Many crimes have been reported through the misuse of digital technology. Many people lack the basic education required to ensure the proper use of technology available today. People have been dependent on technology that they no more want to do any manual activity. F. Technology is surely a boon for mankind. Begin surely. Surely, technology is a boon for mankind. Discuss the writer's mixed thought on technology. The writer gives the importance of technology. He also talks about its drawbacks and concludes that it should be used with moderation. Explain the meaning of the following words as used in the passage. Blend is to mix. Mammoth is huge or immense or massive. Bone is advantage.